Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Here's what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Caffeine may intensify brain changes caused by sleep loss, according to a study. A recent study published in Scientific Reports has found that caffeine might exacerbate the negative effect of chronic sleep restriction on brain structure, specifically grey matter. Conducted by the German Aerospace Center research facility, the study sheds light on how caffeine intake during periods of sleep deprivation can lead to greater reduction in grey matter volume compared to those who abstain from caffeine. Grey matter, crucial for processing information and regulating cognitive function, has been linked to various mental health issues when its volume decreases. This new research investigated whether caffeine consumption during sleep deprivation exacerbates grey matter loss. The study involves 36 healthy adults aged around 29 years who were divided into two groups. One consuming caffeine-containing coffee, that is the CAFF group, and the other drinking decaffeinated coffee, which is the DECAF group. Over a 9-day period, participants first underwent 2 baseline days with 8 hours of sleep per night, followed by 5 days of restricted sleep limited to 5 hours per night, and concluded with a recovery day of 8 hours of sleep. During the sleep restriction phase, the CAFF group received 200 mg of caffeine in the morning and 100 mg in the afternoon, while the DECAF group received equivalent volume of decaffeinated coffee. To assess the impact on brain structure, participants underwent MRI and positron emission tomography scan at 3 intervals: after the baseline period, after sleep restriction, and after the recovery period. Saliva samples were regularly collected to monitor caffeine level and ensure accurate tracking of its physiological effects.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
The results revealed that chronic sleep restriction led to changes in grey matter volume, and these changes were notably influenced by caffeine intake. Participants in the DECAF group showed an increase in grey matter volume in several brain regions, including the prefrontal cortex, temporal occipital cortex, and the thalamus, which are associated with cognitive and sensory functions. This increase suggests a potential compensatory response to the stress of sleep loss. In contrast, the CAFF group exhibited a decrease in grey matter volume in these same regions, indicating that caffeine might inhibit the brain's ability to compensate for sleep deprivation, thereby worsening the impact of insufficient sleep on brain structure. The study also highlighted individual differences in adenosine receptor availability, which significantly affected the extent of grey matter changes. Participants with lower baseline level of subcortical adenosine receptor experienced more pronounced reduction in grey matter volume when consuming caffeine during sleep restriction. Overall, the study suggested that caffeine may counteract the brain compensatory mechanism during periods of sleep deprivation, potentially leading to more significant structural damage. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.